Alright, hello guys, this is GM Baruch, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about some tasks like we will create converters and a marksheet. In converters we will create just four programs. You can try many others. I will give you tasks related to converters in the description. Okay, you may check these codes and also create other tasks related to converters. Let's discuss about we have to create first program kilo to grams, means the user will enter kilos and the output will be grams, means if the user is entering 5 kilos, okay, these 5 kilos, these 5 kgs will be converted into the grams. We know 1 kg is consist of how many grams? 1000 grams, okay, 1000 grams. So you must have to know how many kgs are how many first unit is consist of into other units, okay, you must know these things, okay. So let's do this. So if 1 kg is equal to 1000, then 5 kg is equal to how much grams, okay, this will be 5000 grams, okay, 5000 grams. But in programming, how will we do it? Okay, let's try this. I have already created a class naming kilo to grams, in which I have also inserted the main method, which will perform the action that our code will start from the execution from this statement. Okay, this method. Okay. Second thing, we have mentioned scanner object scanner. We have created object of the scanner so that we can take input from the user. Okay, and we printed enter close. It will just be as the output. Okay, and second thing is we are getting input from the user and storing it into the variable called kilos. And the last thing we are doing here, we are displaying converting kilos into grams and displaying them. Let's try this. Okay, I'm running it here. It is asking for to insert kilos, like I am giving 10 kgs kilos. It will convert 10 kilos into the grams, that will be 10,000. Okay, the second thing we will do kilometers to meters. It will be same as, like we have to insert uh, kilometers, like I have inserted 5 kilometers, which will be converted into meters. Also we also know that 1 kilometer is equal to 5,000 meters. Okay, we have already know 1 kilometer equal to 1,000 meters. Similar to this, I will just directly upload the code of this converter. Second thing, we have to do seconds to minutes. How will we do this? This is interesting. This will be interesting also. Let's try this. Okay, our program is seconds to minutes. Okay, we'll create class name is seconds to minutes. Okay, we will also insert main method in this. We have this. Okay, we have to import the java.util.scanner, because we are going to take input from the user, and for taking input from the user we must have to use this import java.util.scanner class. Okay, here we also create the object of scanner class. Everything is similar to previous programs. Ask to user that he or she insert seconds, enter seconds, number of seconds are seconds. Okay, and whatever the user inserts, it will be stored into a variable variable called seconds 6 and ob dot next. Okay. Now we have collected these seconds whatever user giving. We have to convert these seconds into the minutes, and we must know that how many seconds will make 1 minute. We know if there are 60 seconds, that will make 1 minute. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So we are putting this concept into our mind and doing it like if the user is inserting like 120, what will how many minutes will be? The minutes will be 2. So we can analyze it by, if we divide this into by the 60, we will get the similar 2. So we do here what, let's do it. System dot out dot println, we will divide all the seconds that user inserted. Let's divide by 60, so we get minutes, and we mention along with this a message that minutes will be. Okay, this is let's try it. It is asking for seconds. I'm giving 120 seconds. It's converting into the minutes, that is 2. Let's try this again. I'm inserting 300 and it is showing that 300 seconds will be 5 minutes. I hope this is also clear. Let's go through the years. This is also uh, similar to this one. You have to multiply. It means 1 year consists of 360 days. You have to convert 360 days into means 1 year into the 60. Means if there is 1 year, the this will be equal to 365 days. I hope you will do it yourself. Let's go through the mark sheet, and you can read the statement. It is telling that enter 5 subjects marks. There will be 5 inputs means, and display total marks. Means if a single subject consists of 100 marks, total 5 subjects will be consist of total marks will be 500, and the system will show that obtained marks, whatever the obtained marks will be, and also shows the percentage. Let's create this program. I'm naming it like Marksheet. I have already told you tip that you have to create a class name similar to the content it contains. Like we are giving 5 subjects names, like first subject is enter English marks, and here the user have to insert the English marks equal to ODR next enter Java marks similar to above one. Okay, now we have coded for the to get the 5 input subjects from the user. Now we have to show what things, total marks, obtained marks, and percentage. Three, we have to show three outputs. So we do for first total marks, we will print directly. Like there are 5 subjects, so the total marks will be 500. Total marks 500. Okay, and the second thing we have to print like obtain marks. How we will calculate the obtain marks? We will calculate directly obtain marks that the user inserted for each subject. Every and each subject will be added together and we will get obtain marks. So simple, we will add all the subject marks like Java, Python, C++, and DSA. Okay, this will be obtained marks. Okay, last thing we have to show the percentage. We are doing this in a simple way, but you may store these all the subjects total marks into another variable and you may use it later on, but I am doing it directly. So for percentage, we must know that multiply obtained marks by the 100 and we will divide. Our formula is for getting percentage is different. We will discuss in the. Okay, here I have created the formula for a percentage, but if you are not getting it, I will generate and explain here. So we have percentage formula. If we are going to calculate any percentage, so how will we do this? Okay, we have to use, like, we will put our total into the divide and obtain above and multiply these with 100. Okay, 100 is the sign of percentage. Okay, similar to this one, I have also done here. These are obtained marks. I multiplied these with 100 and divided these by the total marks, which is 500. Okay, let's see, run it and see the output. I have to insert English marks first. Yes, I entered 50. Okay, then 60, then 70, then 80, then last one is 90. Percentage is 70 and obtained marks are these and total marks are these, but we have to insert here message that these are obtained marks and this is also percentage. So we will add here stream which will show this is percentage. At the end we have also will make percentage symbol, 8% symbol this is, and here we will also mention these are obtained marks. So guys, these were our tasks. We have already discussed converters, and here I have discussed with you how we create a simple mark sheet. This is a basic level mark sheet. Okay, let's enter 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and we are getting here total marks are 500, and here we have had a mistake. Okay, let's add these. So I will add bracket here. This will calculate the whole. This will do now operation. Okay, here we have total marks 500 and 350 obtained, and the percentage symbol. How many percentage? 70%. You have to make here space or column. Okay, this was our last task. So guys, I hope you get it. Kindly visit my GitHub account and subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.